All right. So the next step is we're going to sort of design the sitemap of our community by going to navigation and removing and adding a few things. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take away these top level, take away campaigns and MDF. We're not going to worry about that. And we are going to add a knowledge base. So add menu item, name, knowledge base. The type is going to be community page, and the specific community page that you're going to choose is going to be topic catalog. And the reason that you choose topic catalog is because it's all the topics. So we've done all that mapping for the data categories and the topics. This is how you get to show all of that at once. All right, so let's add another menu item. And we're going to call it create a case. Once again, it's going to be a community page, and we're going to use the contact support page for this. So let's save those menus. We're going to come back to those pages and edit them in a second, but for right now, let's start editing the builder. So I'm just going to publish really quickly so I don't lose any of my changes.